Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPad Air 4 2020 model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad Air 4, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic cut pry tool or triangular picker and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the Araflex cables attached to the logic board. Lift the LCD assembly and take the direction like opening a book from the left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book till removing the LCD assembly. Next, lift the LCD screen and place it on the table. Then remove two shields by undoing 3 screws. And then disconnect 3 connector plugs connecting the LCD and the body. Next, undo the screw on top of the battery connector and using a cut pry tool cut the adhesive under the logic board. Next, to take out the battery, it needs some more heating on the battery side. Again, we are using the heating pad but on the rear side where the battery locates. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, using a pry tool, gently cut the adhesive and raise the board by the top. And then slide in a pry tool and keep it steady till you take out the battery. By doing this, we can create enough space to pull out the battery. Next, use a couple of pry tools to lift the battery. Be gentle and raise the battery slowly while cutting the glue. The bottom of the connector, the sticky can be a little strong. Be careful and slowly cut the adhesive to pull out the battery using a pry tool. There is no connector plug and the battery pins are touching the logic board pins. Next, place the new battery with the adhesive and take out the supporting pry tool on the logic board to secure the board. Next, secure the battery connector by adding the screw. Finally, start adding the front screen. First connect all 3 connectors and then add the shield by inserting 3 screws. Place the LCD on the body and ensure the screen sits securely. Next, to clamp up the iPad Air 4, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided pre-cut adhesive. Take the closing book direction and place the LCD assembly on the body. Place the bottom section first, then follow the top. Then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. In here, we are using screen binding clip to tie the LCD screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave there for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.